How to download ChatGPT app, the official app by OpenAI. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your App Store. Now search for the app ChatGPT. Different app options will appear. You have to download this one app, ChatGPT, the official app by OpenAI. Tap on this option of Get, and it will start downloading to your device. If you search for ChatGPT app on your device and you were not able to find that app in your app store, then you can change the region or country of your app store and then you will be able to download ChatGPT. If you guys don't have any idea how can you change the region or country of your app store and continue with the process, we do have another tutorial video for that as well. You can check in the description below where you can find the link for the video tutorial to download ChatGPT app even though it doesn't appear in your app store. So I hope now you guys are clear about how to download ChatGPT app, the official app by OpenAI. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.